Hi everyone. Day 2 since my diagnosis. Today is May 25th. My son Griffin's birthday. Happy birthday, son. Love you so much. Doing good today. Kind of coming to terms a little bit with my diagnosis. Doing some research, that type of thing. Get ready to go for a ride with my buddy Matt Schumacher. You can hear the cicadas. They're crazy everywhere, abundant all over the place. So spring of 2024, I do have hope, and I'm going to fight this, and I'm going to enjoy my life. Keep riding. Still kind of hard, but fuck cancer, and you know what? Whatever happens, happens. But I ain't slowing down. I ain't stopping. I love my family. Love my friends. I'm out. Bye.